I am really excited, and anybody who knows me knows that I'm very excited anytime we make Scotch cocktails because, well, there's Scotch in Scotch cocktails. So we're making a cocktail for you in this segment called My Brother Peat, pun clearly intended, and we're going to use Laphroaig Select. It's a really nice one if you're making a complicated cocktail. Is it as good, just neat as the rest of the Laphroaig lineup? No. Is it really great to have something that's a little less expensive to mix in drinks, but still comes through with that obvious Laphroaig Isla Peat thing? Yes. So anyway, here's My Brother Peat. We're going to start with some Angostura orange. Three dashes of those. Just 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup. Now don't let this wide dais of ingredients freak you out. It's just a really easy cocktail. So it's 3 dashes, and then it's going to be 1/4 ounce of everything except for the Laphroaig. So we're going to use our blueberry syrup here, which is just delicious. Really excited about it. 1/4 ounce of that. And little Dubonnet. I'm really happy that they went back and did the work and rejiggered the recipe to make this far closer to the European version. It's got more interesting bitterness on the end of it, and it's got more booze, which I always like. There's Dubonnet and Laphroaig. I'm going to put a couple ounces of Laphroaig in there. That's 2. 1 and 2. Grab that. Let's give it a taste. Yes. Now, will this drink work with a different kind of whiskey? Yes. Actually, this drink will work with almost any barrel-aged brown spirit. Cognac would be really, really nice with this. Soft bourbons would be really, really nice with this, but this definitely lets the peaty whiskey shine through. So if you're going to make this drink and you don't like Scotch, well, use one of those other spirits. Okay. A few spins around the dance floor here. So at this point, a lot of folks that drink Scotch or Scotch cocktails want to drink a drink in a heavy bottomed glass, which is fine. The upside of drinking in a coupe is that you're not tempted to add ice, which would dilute this drink. And we've got enough mixers, and we've diluted it enough. It doesn't need any more mixers. So sometimes I like to split the difference. I'll just do this. Sometimes I forget how big this thing is. There you go. And put this without ice in a rocks glass. That way you get the best of both worlds. You get that heavy bottom glass feel, which is nice, and then you also get the fact that it's not going to sit on ice and get diluted, and it's already got enough mix in there. I don't want anything else messing with my Scotch. So we're going to finish with just cutting a coin. There you go, just a little more orange to kind of sell the deal. And there you go. My Brother Peat. Enjoy.